Hi guys, in this tutorial I want to show you how to create your own dimensional style. If you come to the Annotate tab and dimensional panel, you see various styles here by clicking. But I want to create my own style. What can I do is type in dim style, then press enter, and you can see my styles here. And I want to make a copy of ISO and then apply some changes to it. So I select the dimension and style I want, then I click on new, then it says what you want to name it. Would you want it to be named copy of ISO 25? I'll just give it a more meaningful name than just that. So I go here and type in 5. Okay, it's a text size, for that reason I'm giving 5. Then continue. So it opens here. You can here change anything you want. So I want to change the arrow size to 5, and I want to also go and change the text height to 5. And once I'm done with these two, I'm happy. Again, you can select different text size here, but I've select the standard and then overwrite it by 5 and then click OK. Again, you can change many other things there, and then you can close, and you can see now the new one is created. And we can just go ahead and create a dimension just for an example, and you can see it looks bigger than this other one. That means the new style has applied. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Please don't forget to watch my other tutorials. I got a playlist in the description of this video, which you can go and continue learning AutoCAD. It's a very nice program to learn, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.